Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to backtest your trading strategy on TradingView in 2026 using the built-in tools. So here, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this particular deal, you are going to get up to 80% off on all of the TradingView premium subscriptions. Plus, whichever subscription you are going to purchase, you will get 1 month additional. In this deal, only around 2 days left. So if you are interested, you can use the link in the description and explore the offers. Now, in order to backtest on TradingView, you first of all need to come here on tradingview.com, then sign up with the help of your email address if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products, and by default, it is going to launch the chart in front of you. Now, if this is the chart which you want to trade, it is well and good. But if this is not the chart which you want to backtest or trade, you can anytime click on this watch list icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can select the chart on which you want to do the backtest. Now, once you have selected the chart, all you need to do is you need to use this replay feature here on the top. Now, when you click on the replay option, it is going to show you this type of line in front of you. So you just have to click on any of the time frames here in the past, and it is going to show you that you are currently using the replay mode. Now, once you are here in the replay mode, you are going to see a bunch of different options here in the bottom as well. You can use the step forward option to move one candle at a time, or you can directly press this play button to watch it or unfold automatically. If you want the automated backtesting, scroll down to the Pine editor, and here you need to paste your strategy script and then click on the option of add to cart over here. Now, once it loads, you can open your strategy tester tab at the bottom, and here you will see the performance metrics like your win rate, your net profit, your list of trades, etc. You can also edit your script, or you can ask ChatGPT to add the stop loss, take profit, or entry conditions. Then you can reapply it to see the updated results. Now you can repeat this process until the strategy behaves the way you expected. So this way you will be able to backtest here on TradingView with the help of this particular option. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.